Hello everyone. Are you planning to start or improve your career in AML department, anti-money laundering department, or financial crime compliance department in A 2025? You can do that by doing any of those certifications from America or diploma from ICA, which is in UK. You have to become a subject matter specialist so that you can get a really good job and designation, so you can improve your career. You should join the group number 50. That is starting on 19th of July. Is 50% discounted. Whatever I charge for the group training, private training, I charge half of that for the group training. And if you're gonna join before 16th of July, you're gonna get a early bird discount. So it's a 50 hours of training program. Each The dates are fixed, the timings are fixed. Each session is 4 hours long. These are the timings in different countries. It's gonna be morning time, Eastern time in America or Canada. It's gonna be evening time in India, afternoon time in Nigeria, evening time in UK, in Dubai or other Gulf countries, and afternoon time in UK or other countries in Europe. So 50% discounted. You need to become a subject matter specialist in order to get a really good job. So first of all, who am I? You can find me on LinkedIn. This is me. I'm an AML specialist, certified AML specialist, sanction specialist, crypto investigator. I've been followed by 70,000 people. You can find me and see my certificates, or all the people that who have passed their examination, that share their success story. You can find me on my YouTube channel as well. I have over 110,000 subscribers, and lots of people who have attended my training have shared this their review that you can watch to get some understanding that how the training program is conducted. You should also watch the video that I made a year ago that helps you understand how much salary you can earn in order to get a job in anti-money laundering. And there is another video that you should be watching, which is to how to get a remote job in anti-money laundering. This is my website, amlbase.com, my company. I will be sharing you the certificate after the passing of the examination, the completion of the certificate after training program. 50-hour certificate that you can use it to get yourself eligibility without having experience in anti-money laundering and be able to write your examination. I will be adding you in a specific WhatsApp group. Like you can see that all the previous batches of the group when you pay the fees, so that you can get the Zoom invite link and all the study material. So I will be sharing you lots of study material. If you have not paid the fee, this study material will help you prepare to pass the examination in the first attempt, while you saving money to pay the examination fee. So in order to become a subject matter specialist, you need to have a technical understanding in anti-money laundering. You should have a understanding of the international AML standards, which is called best practice, effective uses of the risk-based approach, be able to identify red flags on a customer suspicious activity, different cases, and also hands-on on transaction monitoring, KYC tools, and so on. So in the 50 hours of training program, this is the what we're going to be discussing the topics. I will be covering 172 different topics. We'll be showing you after the completion of the 13 training sessions. You're going to get a mock question file from me. Initial 13 training sessions are fixed dates, fixed timings. These are the dates and timing, morning in America and so on. So after the completion of the 13 training sessions, you're going to get a mock question a month later, and then you practice them. If you have any questions from those mock questions, you can have a one-on-one session before you write your examination. So also we'll be sharing you the chapter summary of each chapter. Will prepare you, explain you each chapter, and patriotic summary, European Union directive summary. So the session start with very basic KYC, risk assessment, customer risk assessment, customer risk rating. Then we discuss the STR filing, how risk mitigation is done, what are the steps of walk through to that. We'll be discussing the correspondent banking beneficial ownership as well. So let me give you a walkthrough of what 50 hours of training program to help you prepare for the certification examination actually looks like. So 172 different topics. I have prepared people from different walk of fields of life, working experience. The working in HR, accounting, the working in retail banking, the working in compliance department to improve their career. Whoever wants to, they can start their career if you're interested, if you're willing to learn. We're going to be discussing Financial Action Task Force directives, European Directive, Basel, Wolfsburg Group, Patriotic, Beneficial Ownership Information, Corporate Transparency Act of 2021, shell companies, fund companies, mule, funnel accounts, many-to-one and one-to-many issues, sanction screening, sanctions compliance program, sanction due diligence, gatekeepers, money laundering in casinos, insurance, money exchange companies, crypto exchange companies, credit card companies, broker dealers, FTCs, peer-to-peer issue, how money laundering and anti-money laundering is done using crypto, the hardware wallets, the privacy wallets, the privacy coins with the private blockchains, walk through on the customer suspicious activity, typology assessment exercise, learning different typologies of the trade-based money laundering, and why we need to learn that an advanced level of data analytics to help us in anti-money laundering. So KYC in the first session, then risk mitigation, STR filing, correspondent banking, beneficial ownership. It's going to be session on the investigation of the customer suspicious activity. Each session is 4 hours long, but it's going to be a break, 10 minutes break to help you, uh, you know, uh, recover and rest, and then we're gonna have then the whole session of the 4 hours. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Transaction monitoring, they're gonna be I will be explaining each chapter and then be sharing the summary of each chapter. Sanctions, CBML, crypto rule exercise, and the SQL in money laundering, anti-money laundering. So SQL in anti-money laundering. So 50 hours of training program covers uh, enough chapters to help you improve your career if you're already working in anti-money laundering or start your career in anti-money laundering. You're gonna get the certificates from me, so that certificate can be used for you to earn your eligibility. Let me show you the different certificates of the people who have passed their attended the training sessions. They get the certificates of the 50 hours, which they earn the eligibility, and the certificate. This 50 hours training program help you prepare for the certification examinations that I have mentioned above the certificates, and also prepare you for the job interview. How is prepare for the job interview? I cover more than your examiner provided study material, and also conduct some sessions in an advanced level of different topics, which helps you prepare for the technical rounds of the interview so that you can get a really good job. Topics like horizon scanning in anti-money laundering, drafting risk appetite statement, drafting RFI, quality assurance in anti-money laundering, policy drafting, detecting proficient financiers, the testing of the AML tools, risk tolerance in anti-money laundering, internal audit report, behavioral detection runs, and so on. These are the sessions that are conducted once a month for every batch of my trainees from different countries. Okay, I have trained over so far over 3,000 people from 92 different countries. These are the countries that have trained people. Most of the countries people are from India, US, UAE, Canada, Nigeria, UK. These are all my previous batches. These are number of the participants the year those batches were started. I used to do private training, lots of training back in the day, but these days I conduct just a group training because it's much more reasonably priced, and also helps majority of the people who, because they want to study in a group setting so that they can learn from others from other countries. So 50, group number 50 is starting on 19th of July. If you're going to join before 16th of July, you're going to get a 10% early bird discount. The sessions, the CPDs that I just showed you, this 50 hours of training program is fixed dates, fixed timings, live training on Zoom app, which is free. Zoom app is free for you to download, and recordings of the training session will be available for the next 12 months. CPD are recordings are not available, but the 50 hours of training program, this training program's recording are available for you to watch after the end of the training program. They will be available for you to watch for the next 12 months. Okay, so these are my website, my YouTube channel, my LinkedIn, and I will be adding you the specific group. This is like the group that is started, the group number 49 that is started on 21st of June. Today is 23rd of June. There are around 35 participants from US, India, Canada, Bahamas, Nigeria, Caribbean, UK, UAE, who have joined the training program. I've done the 2 sessions with them. This is what we covered so far. And the group number 48 that is going to end on 6th of July. Then I will have a weekend break. After that, your session is going to start. I've done so far with 29 training sessions till 21st of June, and these are the around 40 participants there, for 39 participants there, and this is what I cover with them. So they are thoroughly prepared. So they are from the same country that you most probably are as well: India, US, Canada, Qatar, Nigeria, Armenia, Mauritius, Caribbean, Vietnam, UAE, so on. Anyway, so if you're interested in improving your career or making your career in anti-money laundering, you should join the batch. The expectation from you when you join the training program is to attend live training sessions, rewatch the recordings, read the certain documents that I will be sharing with you, memorize the documents, summaries that I will be sharing with you, perform the typology assessment exercise, and get the practice question for you to before you write your examination, book your examination. You have to do all of that with your work and family responsibility, and this training program will be in accordance with the newly announced, newly updated study material and the curriculum. So make sure that you join before 16th of July so that you get early bird discount. Make sure you join the training program that been conducted for the last 5 years. Started with the private training that I used to do. You can see that all these people whom I used to conduct the training. Prashant started from Canada, Kishore from Hong Kong, Henry, Zahira from UAE, Yona from Uganda, Zubair from South Africa, Pam from America, Bhaskaran from India, Shakti from India, OPMU, Doris, and these are all the people I used to do the one-on-one training sessions with them to help them pass the examination. You can also join them training program similar to them in a group setting so that you make more value for your money, and you earn more value for money, and you get to have this something that helps so many people, 3,000 people so far, and it's gonna help you as well to pass the exam in the first attempt. So since I made the last video, there's some people who have passed their examination, like Ipshita from India. She passed the examination on 28th of May. She shared a success story. Ola Soji from Canada passed the examination, shared on 30th of May. Teresa from India passed the examination and shared on 30th of May as well. Camila from South Africa passed the examination and shared it on 2nd of June. Praveen from India passed the examination. Oh, it's not showing here, but Sayed from UAE passed the examination and shared on the LinkedIn. Sundar from India passed the examination with 95 marks. He joined the group number 47 batch who recently concluded. Ola Chomuke passed the examination and shared the story. This guy is from USA. So you should be thinking of making sure that you get your value for money, you pass your exam in your first attempt, and start your career if you are want to start working in anti-money laundering or financial crime compliance in a tier 1 bank. Contact me on WhatsApp or on email, find out the exact fee, and try to write your examination before this year end in 2025. Preparation takes 2 or 3 months at least. So, and if you're waiting to save the fees, you should start right away. So when you have saved the money, you can pay the fees and write your examination, start applying for the jobs, and get the job that you want. See you on WhatsApp or email. Have a good day.